It's a warm day. I pour myself some cold milk from the fridge. Oh wow, the glass is cold to touch. It wasn't cold before. Why is it so cold now?
The cup was warmer while the milk was a lot colder. Heat flows from a hotter place to a colder place. Because the cup was warmer, heat flows from the cup to the colder milk. We say that the cup loses heat, and when this happens, the temperature of the cup decreased, so it becomes colder to touch. And the milk gain heat. So if you are going to leave it here for longer, the milk is going to gain heat from the cup and the surrounding, and it will no longer be cold.
Oh, okay, then I shall quickly finish my cold milk. I love what I've learned today. Thank you so much.